Hi there, I'm Amy, and this is Hospice 101. Today we're talking about something that stops a lot of families from even considering hospice: the fear of making the wrong decision. We hear these types of concerns all the time. What if we choose hospice and then things get better? What if there's a new treatment we want to try? What if we change our minds? Here's what I want you to know. Choosing hospice is not a one-way decision. You can always change your mind. And today I'm going to explain exactly how that works. Let's start with the most important fact. Medicare gives you an absolute right to stop hospice care at any time, for any reason. This isn't something you have to ask permission for. It's your right as a patient. The official term is revoking your hospice election. But what it really means is, you can simply decide hospice isn't the right choice for you right now and return to regular Medicare coverage. Maybe you want to try a new treatment. Maybe you're feeling better. Maybe you simply changed your mind. Whatever your reason, you don't have to explain it or justify it. You just have to put your decision in writing. And all of your regular Medicare benefits come right back. No waiting period. No penalties. Your full Medicare benefits simply resume. Now here's the question I know you're wondering about. What if you stop hospice care and then later you need it again? Can you come back? Here's the wonderful news. You can absolutely re-enroll in hospice care if you're eligible. Medicare is very clear about this. You can elect to receive hospice care again at any time, and when you re-enroll, you start with full benefits again. You haven't used anything up. Your benefits are there whenever you need them. The hospice benefit is designed for flexibility. You get 2 initial 90-day periods and then unlimited 60-day periods after that. Why unlimited? Because Medicare knows that predicting exactly how long someone has to live is really difficult, even for the best doctors. Some people stabilize or even improve with good hospice care. Some people live longer than expected. And sometimes people's goals change. In fact, about 17% of people who start hospice care end up leaving before they pass. That's roughly 1 in 6 people. And that's not a failure of hospice care. When someone gets excellent symptom management and their condition stabilizes, that's actually a sign of good care. The benefit structure is designed for this reality. It's built for flexibility and changing circumstances. So why am I spending a whole video talking about this? Because we see families struggling with a decision that feels impossible when it doesn't have to be. They feel like they have to be absolutely certain because they worry that choosing hospice means giving up all other options forever. But that's not true. Choosing hospice means, right now, we want to focus on comfort and quality of life. It does not mean we can never change our minds. You're not closing any doors. You're choosing the type of care that makes sense for you today, while keeping all of your options open for tomorrow. At Everlight Hospice, we would rather have you start hospice care and later decide it's not right for you than have you suffer needlessly because you were afraid to try. We're not here to talk you into hospice. We're here to give you excellent care when it's the right fit and to support your decisions when your needs or goals change. So here's what I want you to remember. Hospice is not a one-way door. You can revoke at any time for any reason. All your Medicare benefits come right back, and you can return to hospice later if you need it. Don't let fear of making the wrong decision keep you from getting support that could help right now. If you have questions about hospice care or want to understand what your options really are, please reach out to us at Everlight Hospice. We'll give you honest information, explain your rights clearly, and never pressure you into a decision. Because everyone deserves to understand their choices.